Welcome everyone. I'm going to try and keep this really short. Uh, uh, Welcome to Markets. क्या लगता है? Before we start, very quickly risk disclosure. You already know it's about your risks. This is purely for training purposes. So please consider it as a training purpose. Let's quickly go to the charts, and here we are. Last week we actually had said that probably 18,300 is possible, but we also said that plan B, probably this level where we were there, and we would start returning. So I'm just going to start from there to keep it little simple, and from there we have seen a very nice impulse. We have got a 1 which is made up of AB 1 2 3 4 5. Then we have got a very small 2, and we are probably very close to finishing 3, or we may go a little down before completing that 3, and from there we should go in a corrective way. So it's going to be sideways. It's going to take time to 17,600 613 15 levels, and from there will be one more fall, which has got a potential of taking us to 17,150 odd levels. I'm not sure if this will go all the way, or it will cease to exist from here. We have to see. By the way, the way it's actually falling down, we can actually go to 17,150 or even below, and from there we will have to take it up. There will be a fair bit of correction on the upside after that before the major fall may start, but I cannot talk about it yet. Let this wave complete, and then we will talk about it. Similarly, for Bank Nifty also, Bank Nifty, though we had clearly said that this level looks to be a good level, and then markets may start going down, and that is exactly what they have done from the 16th of February, and we are able to see a very nice 1 2 3. It looks like the 3 is going on, and 3 would continue, probably even below than that. We are not very sure how long will it go, but we are talking about a sideways market between 40,440, and on the lower side it's around 38,850 levels. So both Bank Nifty and Nifty, they seem to be giving pretty nice sideways market, and it may actually work out in the favor of options sellers. If you guys want, we'll just continue. I will quickly show you how you would be able to do the options trade. That's gonna be really helpful. So be around. So here I am on Options Oracle. You could choose to do anything. There are lots of products available now. Options Oracle was one of the very initial ones. And if I would just simply get the short iron condor, because I believe the market is going to be sideways, and we are going to be taking the next expiry, which is the Thursday expiry. And if I select that, let me just talk about the quickly Infosys levels, and then go to the options oracle one more time. So on the on the Nifty, I'm so sorry, on the Nifty, your levels are 17,650, or let's say 17,700, and the other side is 17,100. 700 and 100 are the levels. So let's quickly go there, and let's see how we could do that. 17,100 and 17,700. So I'm going to short put 17,100. There it is, 17,100, and this is going to be 17,700, and I am going to buy immediately 17,000 put, and I'm going to be buy immediate 17,800 call. Okay, 17,800 call. So if I do that, I am going to be able to get around 13 rupees of premium, or if I look at it in rupee terms, it is going to be 680 rupees, and we know that it takes around 40,000 rupees of premium. So 680 in 40 rupees, for 40,000. So if I have to do that, 680 divide by 40,000. Oops. So that would be around 1.7%. So if you wish to earn 1.7% in a week, this might be a decent strategy for you. Okay. This second one, let me just quickly save it so that we can later on evaluate it. The next one could be a bank nifty, and let's just get the data for Bank Nifty, and then same iron condor for 2nd of March. And here the range was, let me quickly go there and talk about the range. Bank Nifty range was, Bank Nifty is here. So Bank Nifty range was near about 14,400 and below around 38,800. 44 38 38 8. So going back, 38 8, 38,800 and 40,400. 40,400, and if I do 38,800, I want to buy 3,800, 200 points away. Sorry, 38.5, which is 300 point away, 38.5, and same 300 point away will be 4,700. Correct. So this way, if I look at it, it's gonna be structure like this, and it's gonna give me okay, if I do it in terms of rupees, wow, this is looking pretty nice, 1.4% higher. So I want actually higher to be little further away, so I would go 45, 40,500, and this will be 40,800. Just that it was only 1%, 1.5%. I would be a little more comfortable with this kind of thing, which is going to give me 1,635. Let me just quickly save it. And now we are going to look at how much it costs to get this kind of margin. Give me a second. So let me just quickly go to the calculator here. We are on Zerodha margin calculators. Others also will have similar. Bank Nifty, I cannot do it for this week, so I'm doing it for the month. And I have put in together here. So 38,800 PE, short 25 quantity, 38,500 PE, long 25 quantity, 40,500 short 25, 40,800 buy 25. So this is what we had, and if I look at it, the total margin comes to around 50,000. So we have got potential of earning around 1,635 rupees. Okay, so that comes to around 1,635 divided by 50,000. Here and there, we are talking about 3% in a week. This is looking pretty okay. I would like you to take even lesser risk and try it out when you are trying out. But you know now how to create the strategies and how to look at the charts on the Nifty. So if this is a kind of a chart that you would see on the performance, so you are going to be getting 1,600, and there is also a risk you should be aware about. So on 60,000 you are also taking 50,000, you are also taking risk of near about 6,000 rupees for a gain of 1,600. You should be knowing that. So if markets don't work the way you expect it to, be ready to take that kind of risk. Okay, so I've done little longer, wanted to be a little shorter. Sorry for that, but I believe I have given you some value. Cheers, bye.